Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use iodine tincture on paneer. This simple test helps you determine if your paneer contains starch, which is often added as an adulterant. Knowing this can help you ensure you're getting pure, high-quality paneer. It's a quick and easy way to check for authenticity right in your own kitchen. Before we begin, let's gather what you'll need. First, select a small, representative piece of paneer. Next, ensure you have iodine tincture, which is commonly found in pharmacies. You'll also need a clean plate or surface and a dropper or a clean spoon for precise application. These simple items are all that's required. Now, let's apply the iodine. Place your small paneer sample on a clean, dry surface. Carefully add just 1 or 2 drops of the iodine tincture directly onto the paneer. It's important not to use too much, as this can make the results harder to interpret. Allow about 30 seconds for the reaction to develop. Finally, let's interpret what you see. If the paneer turns a distinct blue or black color, it means starch is present, indicating adulteration. However, if the paneer remains its original color, or only shows the natural yellowish-brown of the iodine, then your paneer is pure. This simple test empowers you to make informed choices about your food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.